I remember the first time I was in EI and I was like, wow, so taken back by the robot. Every day I still feel the same way almost. It's like, how am I in control of this robot? I'm Thomas Warr and I'm a composite technician at the NCC, and my day-to-day involves operating the robot to create composite parts. We work with many different other companies. They may come to us wishing for a part to be stronger or lightweight for a certain application. So what we can do is we can go through the different materials and manufacturing processes and help work with them create a part that sustains their needs. So my job role in that is I help to create those parts, and that's why I use the ATL AFP robot to produce these parts for them to then test. When I was younger, I wasn't really too sure on going into any job role, in all honesty. My grandfather used to have scale model trains, and I always thought it was cool to kind of see him tinkering with them and creating things. It was I'd like to do that. I finished off my GCSEs. I realized that I didn't want to go on to doing A-levels and more theory-based stuff. I wanted to get that practical hands-on experience. So I looked for apprenticeships and I found the NCC. It was local to me and I applied, and after doing a bit of research, I found that this was something I could actually see myself doing and enjoy. The sciences has allowed me to have a broad spectrum of opportunity, and the past 3 years have been really good doing the apprenticeship. And to now have the opportunity to run this equipment and be the main operator to create these parts for such big customers and projects that I never would have thought I was going to be a part of when I first started. Composite materials are used in many different applications across many different industries. In the automotive industry for car body parts, and in the aerospace for some wings, and also in the renewable sector to create wind turbine blades. What we're testing here is we're laying up a composite panel. Down here is where all the kind of magic stuff happens. So here we're using a carbon fiber unidirectional twill to build up the strength of our part in different orientations that you can see here. They're made up of two parts, a fiber and a resin. We put these two together to overall enhance the properties of one of those materials by themselves. And as we layer it up, we're applying the strength in the 0 degree. So we also need to apply strength in the 90 degree to create a part that has balanced strength. I would highly recommend an apprenticeship to anyone even considering it. I think it's such a great way to learn, and it's proper experience, hands-on experience. I like to kind of see it by eye and shadow these experienced technicians that have worked here in the industry for God knows how long. It was just a better way for me to learn and also get you into that work life sooner, I suppose. What we're doing is making an impact to improve the future for this industry. It's quite good to be a part of that.